Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Bitfarms has purchased new high-efficiency miners, and BitDigital and Argo Blockchain have both posted updates for the month of May. But just before we get into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so Bitfarms Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker BITF, has announced its purchase of 550 petahash per second of new high-efficiency Bitcoin miners for $7.7 million. In total, 4,660 miners were purchased for $13.94 per terahash, with a blended energy efficiency of 28 watts per terahash. Ben Gagnon, that's Bitfarms' chief mining officer, said the following, quote, "We secured additional miners to build upon our momentum in Argentina and Quebec. These new miners will have the highest efficiency in our fleet and improve our average energy and operating costs while minimizing capital expenditures. Representing 550 petahash per second, these miners will be used for expansion and fleet optimization, and we expect them to push our corporate hash rate beyond our September 30th, 2023 target of 6 exahash per second. With this transaction's competitive pricing, we continue to execute our strategy of accretive growth along with judicious capital management." End quote. Next up, BitDigital Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker BTBT, has announced its unaudited digital asset production and corporate updates for the month of May 2023. Highlights include the production of 113.2 Bitcoin, representing a 31% increase over the prior month and driven by a higher average active hash rate, a deployed fleet of 11,513 active Bitcoin miners as of May 31st, and treasury holdings of Bitcoin and Ethereum were 453.6 and 10,996, with a fair market value of approximately $12.3 million and $20.6 million respectively as of May 31st. Lastly, for today, Argo Blockchain, which trades on the Nasdaq as ARBK, has posted an operational update for May 2023. Highlights there include the mining of 173 Bitcoin or Bitcoin equivalents at a rate of 5.6 BTC per day, representing a 16% increase over the previous month, and a total hash rate capacity of 2.5 exahash per second. Saif El-Bakly, I hope I said that right, that's Argo's interim CEO, said, quote, "I'm pleased by the significant increase in the company's Bitcoin production during the month of May. This is a testament to the hard work of our mining operations team to optimize performance across our fleet. Over the long term, I believe increased Bitcoin network activity has the potential to drive demand for block space and increase miner fees." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available. This podcast was sponsored by AppTech Payments Corp. AppTech is an innovative fintech company whose mission is to deliver a better way for businesses to provide their customers with immersive commerce experiences. For more information, visit apptechcorp.com. AppTech trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol APC.